Today I want to cover some insurance issues that users of biometric information should understand, especially in light of the Biometric Information Privacy Act, Supreme Court decisions of Illinois that we described in session 2, and to understand what rights of recovery or defense obligations insurers may owe you if you find yourself subject to a lawsuit under BIPA. In 2021, the Supreme Court of Illinois decided a case, West Bend Mutual Insurance Company versus Krishna Shamberg Tan, Inc. The allegations of BIPA were a covered publication under the policy because the term was ambiguous and they construed the policy against the insurer. The court held, quote, "We find, based on review of dictionaries, treatises, and the restatement, that the term publication has at least two definitions. It means both the communication of information to a single party and the communication of information to the public at large," end quote. Recently, courts have, in Illinois and at the federal level, have done some additionally weighing in on these exclusions that are in most comprehensive general liability policies, or CGL policies, and business owners protection policies. In Citizens Insurance Company of America versus Wendelco, the Seventh Circuit Court of Appeals at the federal level held that a specific statute's exclusion with a catch-all clause in a CGL policy was ambiguous because it stripped away coverage for violation of all manner of other statutes that may have been covered otherwise. In December of 2023, the Illinois Appellate Court First District, in a case National Fire Insurance versus Visual Pack Company, held that the Seventh Circuit predicted wrong on the issue. The court held, quote, "The underlying lawsuit here concerns BIPA. Liability for a BIPA violation is unambiguously excluded from coverage. We thus respectfully disagree with the Seventh Circuit's decision in Wendelco and hold that the CNA plaintiffs owe no duty to defend the underlying BIPA lawsuit," end quote. Entities using biometric information should check with legal counsel to ensure they're taking appropriate steps to be in compliance with BIPA and to review their insurance coverages so that in the event that they are sued under BIPA or related statutes in Illinois that have to do with other information privacy regimes and frameworks, that they have defense and coverage potentially under their insurance policies, and should also confer with their counsel to understand the requirements of BIPA and make sure that they're in compliance with the same.